Human respiratory system is made up of different parts. First part, external nostril. External nostril is present at the apex portion of nose. After external nostril, a cavity-like portion are found, which is known as nasal cavity. Nasal cavity release to pore is known as internal nostril. After internal nostril, a common tube-like structure are present is known as pharynx or nasopharynx. It is the common part of respiratory system and digestive system. After nasopharynx, pore are present is known as glottis, which is covered by epiglottis. After epiglottis, apple-like structure are found, which is known as Adam's apple. This Adam's apple-like structure is also known as larynx or vocal cord or sound box. After larynx, a long tube-like structure are present is known as trachea. Trachea covered by a ring-like structure is known as tracheal ring. Trachea branched and formed two branch-like structure which enter into the lung is known as bronchus. Bronchus divide multiple branch is known as bronchiole. Bronchiole divide multiple branch is known as subbronchiole. Subbronchiole divide and small tubular structure is known as smaller bronchi. At the apex portion of smaller bronchi, balloon-like structure or cavity-like structure are found, which is known as alveoli. Alveoli covered by blood vessel. Lung covered by two layer, outer layer and inner layer. Between two layer, some space are found is known as pleural space. Pleural space fulfilled by pleural fluid. Right lung divided into three part. Right lung divided into three part. And left lung divided into two part. Left lung small in size and right lung large in size. Lung covered by a thin living membrane is known as pleura. Alveoli is the structural and functional unit of lung. It is the respiratory system.